Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 17,035 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips, and reverse. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines 4-inch twin-slash slip-on mufflers, Batwing fairing, Rockford Fosgate head unit and speakers, Harley-Davidson touring seat, chrome rear bumper, Harley-Davidson heated grips, detachable passenger backrest, driving lights, lower fairings, chrome master cylinder covers, luggage rack, USB auxiliary accessory ports, engine heat shields, and a passenger backrest. The Freewheeler offers thrilling performance on the stability of 3 wheels, and unlike its larger Grand Touring Tri-Glide sibling, the Freewheeler is stripped down and built for joyrides. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 85 horsepower and 104 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,047 pounds and has a 27.5 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.